Hello everyone, my name is Suman Srestha, and today we'll be creating a database using ZAGI given by our professor. To do that, I'm going to create a blank file first. So to create a database, I'm going to create a database file for ZAGI. Okay. Now after that, we're gonna use ZAGI for creating a table and a query. There you go. After that, we're gonna insert a table on a ZAGI. I already have written all the code provided in a book, so I'm just gonna do a copy and paste. What this is going to do is this is going to create a table in the database. We have a vendor, category, product, reason, and then we have a store. We have customer, sales transactions, includes. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tables. What is this going to do is this is going to just create a table with the vendor ID on it. For example, for a vendor table, we have a vendor ID, vendor name, and then not null is just telling the table that there is no value right now. We have a primary key as a vendor ID. So I'm going to run this program, this code first. Just click on this plus button right here. So as you can see, all the table are created now. So we just refresh it, and then you can see all the tables here, the ZAGI database right here. Now after this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert values given to all the tables. I already have written all the code already to save time. So these are all the values given. Here we can see we have a insert into vendor values PZ, that's Pacifica gear, and then we have a Mountain King, camping, footwear, all the values to all the tables right here. So these are the customers that are given. So I'm gonna run these. Check we. So what it is going to do is this going to put all the values in the given table. Let's say in the category, if we can check the table, it has camping and footwear. Also for the customer, we have Tina, Tony, and Pam, and these are the customer Jeep, and we have a customer ID, and you can see all the table is fulfilled with the value right now. So after this, we are asked to show the name of the customer that start with T. Okay, so for that what we're gonna do is we're gonna select and then we're gonna do star sign from customer. What this gonna do is this gonna select the customer table. We're gonna run it. So we are in the customer table right now. So after that, we're gonna select from customer where customer name like T, start with T. Okay, so I'm gonna run this real quick. So as you can see, we are just looking at the name that start with T. Now after this, we are asked to insert two different customers in the customer table. Okay, now for that I already have the code written. What you're gonna do is we're just gonna paste this code here to insert two customer names. That is going to be Mike and Suzanne, customer ID and the zip code. Now if we go and check, let me refresh it. If we go and check customers table, now we can see Mike and Suzanne to the customer table. Okay, thank you everyone for watching. This is all for the assignment. Thank you.